She put this in her hair and now it grows uncontrollably. Has hair longer than her 15-year-old niece. Beauty is something we all want to own, but that is not so easy to get. Especially in women, beauty does not depend only on a good figure. This is complemented by a number of factors that favor the figure of people. Specifically in the face, it is required that each thing complements the beauty of another. That is what happens to the hair and face, which complement each other. And is that hair, when it is in good condition, can be one of the most outstanding features of women. However, not everyone can afford to have long, healthy hair. What happens is that many women grow their hair very weak, so it easily breaks. In addition, it is likely that their hair is also not voluptuous, so it is difficult to have a hair in good condition. If you want to give shine and health to your hair, pay attention to how to create a 100% natural face mask for this purpose. Natural mask for hair health. Ingredients: egg 1 unit, dark beer 1/2 cup, mature plain 1 unit, honey 1 tablespoon. Preparation and use: 1. The first thing to do is to carefully peel the banana and chop it into small pieces. Then we put it in the blender next to the egg, beer and honey. These ingredients will liquefy very well until a homogeneous substance is obtained. With that, our hair mask is ready. 2. First, we must moisten our hair with a little water. Then we will apply this substance in the hair, from the root to the tip. Now let's act for 60 or 90 minutes and then wash the hair as usual. This process will be repeated once a week.